Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the MAGISK utility to root a device. Important: the bootloader must already be unlocked before performing this operation. First, prepare your device and connect it in EDL mode using a test point. Also, disconnect the battery from the device to avoid damaging it. Once the device is detected in Chimera, before continuing, remember to reconnect the battery to the device. Go to the Backup tab and select Restore or Store Backup. In the Selective Backup screen, you can choose where to save the backup. By default, Chimera saves it in the backup folder inside the Chimera software directory. You can change this to a custom location if needed. When you're ready, click on Start Procedure. Before starting the backup process, there's an important detail to keep in mind. Backing up the correct image depends on the device model. Usually, for MAGISK, you need to back up and patch the boot image file, which corresponds to the boot partition. However, if the destination phone uses a SAR layout, also known as System as Root, then you need to back up and patch the recovery image file instead. In our case, Chimera will ask which partition you want to back up. Click Select None to deselect everything, then find and select the recovery partition, since that's what we need in this example. Click OK to start. This process may take some time, so please wait until Chimera confirms that the procedure is complete. Once the backup is finished, click Close and Save to History, and unplug the device. Next, open Windows Explorer and navigate to the Chimera Backups folder. Locate the zip file created during the backup and extract its contents. Now, go back to Chimera. In the Utilities section, click Start next to MAGISK Root. In the MAGISK Root interface, click Browse and select the extracted recovery or boot image from the previous step. Then click Patch Image. When the firmware file has been successfully patched, go to the Devices section and reconnect your device in EDL mode using the test point. Once Chimera detects your device, go to the Software Repair tab and select Advanced Update Firmware. In the list that appears, find the recovery partition. Click the three dots button in the center of the table to select an image file and choose the patched recovery file you created earlier. Click Start Procedure and wait for Chimera to finish the process. When the operation is complete, your device is almost ready. To confirm that root was successful, use Platform Tools. Download the application and open its folder location. Then, right-click on the ADB executable and choose Open in Terminal. Once the terminal is open, type the command ADB devices and press Enter. This will start the ADB daemon and display a list of connected devices. If the device appears as unauthorized, make sure to allow USB debugging on the phone screen. Next, type ADB shell and press Enter. This command opens a shell session on the connected device. Now, type su and press Enter. If root access is active, the prompt will change from a $sign to a hash symbol. This indicates that you now have superuser privileges, confirming the device is successfully rooted. And that's it. Your device is now rooted using MAGISK. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.